Here we go. So we're going to go ahead and solve this guy. And this guy's a little more tricky now because we have x's on both sides and we have two binomials here. So let's remember that the first step in solving that requires factoring, and we know that we have a quadratic involved here because x times x is x squared, is you want to write it in standard form. So we want to write it so it looks like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to first expand the left-hand side. So I'm going to distribute this. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x plus 6x. So it's going to be a 4x right there. And then 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. And then I'm going to rewrite. Actually, I could go ahead and actually add. Oops. Don't need that big of an eraser. I just go ahead and just do x minus 8 right here. So x minus 8. Great. So again, if you want it to look like this, we have to write these two terms on the left side. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract x, and I'm going to add 8. So I'm just going to do two steps in one line here, just for the sake of time here. So and then I get x squared plus 3x. So it's 4x minus x, 3x, and then negative 12 plus 8 is a minus 4 equals 0. Great, and so now we just factor the left-hand side here. And so we'll put our two parentheses there, x and x, and I want to get a negative 4. When you multiply to get negative 4, but add to get 3. So 4 and 1, right? 4 and 1. So a negative 1 and a positive 4 right there. That's negative 4, and then that's going to be a positive 3. Cool. So now we set each factor equal to 0. So x plus 4 equals 0, x minus 1 equals 0, and then we solve for x. So I subtract 4 right here and get negative 4. Cool, got that. Add 1 on both sides and get 1. And so those would be our two answers for this equation.